Hello everyone, my name is Atul Kumar Singh. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 14, that is longest common prefix. So we have to write a function to find the longest common prefix, and we have given an array of strings. We are given a strs array containing the string flower, flow, and flight. So we have to find the longest common prefix among these elements. So what is common in all three elements? That is the FL is common. So the answer is our FL. So here in the second example, nothing is common, so we'll return nothing. So how will you approach this problem? Similarly, so it's very simple. First of all, we will make a variable and we will assume the first element as the prefix, and we will compare with the all the elements. If the assumed element is not equal to the assumed element of all characters are not equal to the next element, then we will simply reduce the size of the assumed element by one character. Means we will pop back the last element. For example, we have assumed flower and we will compare with flow. If it's not equal, we will decrease its size. Means we'll remove the R. Then again we'll remove E until it's not equal to flow. Then our prefix is flow. Now simply we will compare with flight. If it's not equal, then simply we will reduce the size until it is equal. If nothing is equal, then simply we will get a empty string. So how will do? We will simply make a variable of type string named prefix. We are assuming the first character. We are assuming the first string of this array of string as our longest common prefix. String prefix, that is strs of zeroth index. So we have assumed the zeroth index as our longest common prefix. Now we will run a loop from 1 so that we can compare all the next elements. When I is less than strs, that is array of strings next of size, then I plus plus. So after taking the prefix array longest common prefix, we have to compare with the other elements. If other elements, after comparing with other elements, if the assumed prefix is not equal, then we will decrease the size from the back. So while strs of I is the element we are comparing, dot find, we are finding prefix, and if it's equal, then and after finding if it's equal, then it will return a zero. And it will not return a zero. So after finding we found it's not equal to zero, then simply reduce the size of the prefix string from the back. Prefix dot pop back until we get a common string, and at last we return our prefix string. It's simple. So let's compile it, check it's working or not. So compilation successful. Let's submit and check for all the test cases. It's taking some time. Till then, let's discuss the time complexity. So the time complexity is currently big of n into m. N means the number of size of the string, and m means the total iteration it's taking to get the longest common prefix. And space complexity is currently big of 1. So that's it's taking some time due to the network issues. So thanks for let's submit again. this will work. Yes, it has submitted successfully. So thanks for watching this video.